Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have a to the power of x plus a to the power of x plus a to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 24. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to factor out a to the power of x from the numerator. So now we have a to the power of x times, now a to the power of x divided by a to the power of x is 1 plus, same thing, a to the power of x divided by a to the power of x is 1 plus, again, 1. And now we're dividing this by, now I'm going to factor out 2 to the power of x from the denominator. So now I have 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x is 1 plus, same thing, 1. This is equal to 24. Now let's simplify what's in the parentheses. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So now we have a to the power of x times 3. We're dividing this by 2 to the power of x times 1 plus 1 is 2. So now we have 2 to the power of x times 2. This is equal to 24. Now if we have something in the form a to the power of x over b to the power of x, this is the same thing as a over b to the power of x. So as you can see here, we have a to the power of x over 2 to the power of x. This is the same thing as a over 2 to the power of x. And we are multiplying this by 3 over 2. This is equal to 24. Now to get rid of this 3 over 2, we have to multiply both sides by 2 over 3. So then these two cancel out, and we are left with 8 over 2 is 4. So 4 to the power of x is equal to 24 times 2 over 3. 24 times 2 is 48. 48 divided by 3 is 16. So we have 4 to the power of x is equal to 16, meaning x is equal to 2. So this is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 2 to the power of x is equal to 5. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the log of both sides. So now we have log 2 to the power of x is equal to log 5. Now, an important property of logarithms states that if we have a logarithm in the form log a to the power of b, the power property of logarithms states that I can actually move b, our exponent, to the front of the logarithm. This means that this would equal b times log a. So as you can see, we have log 2 to the power of x, and we can actually move the x to the front of the logarithm using the power property of logarithms. So now this would equal x times log 2 is equal to log 5. Now we want to isolate x, so we have to move the log 2. So I'm going to divide both sides by log 2. So now these two cancel out, and I'm left with x is equal to log 5 over log 2. And if we have something in the form log a over log b, this is actually the same thing, log base b of a. So now log 5 over log 2, this would equal log base 2 of 5, because 5 would be a and 2 would be b. So this is our answer.